Welcome to the official kickoff of our home office renovation project. This room is essentially just a dumping ground of all the old furniture that we used to have in our old place and where Ryan works every day. I know it doesn't look like much, but this room has actually been through a big transformation from when we first bought our house. The only work we really did in here was to get it to a clean, blank slate by replacing the window and floors, removing the popcorn ceiling and electrical, and painting the walls. We knew that we would be getting to this renovation project eventually, and after 2.5 years, the day has finally arrived. And the first step is to clear everything out of this room. When it comes to the design and function of this home office, there are a few things I want to accomplish. One is to create more storage for business supplies, and the second is to give this room a masculine and moody design that showcases some of Ryan's sports memorabilia in a sophisticated way. Here's a rough mock-up of the room to help with space planning and to test out some of my ideas. Here's the initial mood board, but things tend to change as my projects progress, so we'll see how it turns out. One thing that isn't changing though is this built-in cabinetry that we're adding along this back wall. So thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like and follow for the next part and for more home renovations.